Alright, so the piece for here goes across, it goes up, then it goes back, and then it goes down. Because this is like a weird pocket lip. I don't know why they did it that way. And it's got a piece that flares out here, and then it tucks under and goes down for strength. So that's what this guy is. The top lip, bottom. Man, it's hard to do. So it'll need to be notched here so it can go up in. So this is going to get notched, but this will all get cut out. Cutting it out right about, I think I figured right about here, and then that just goes in its place. So then I have to make a reverse for that side, but doing one side at a time. Try to keep the vehicle somewhat together, and then after that's made, I'll remake this upper one to connect to here again. So, and then we're going to rebuild this. This is all getting cut out.